Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel. We help you save time, save money, and avoid the headache with our AI automation systems. Very beautiful way that we do it. I'm on the Elanix AI home website, and today we're going to be talking about my little friend in the corner over here, Widgets. Now, if you've browsed the internet in the past 5 to 6 months, you've probably seen these little guys on almost every website, whether it's a staff member that you're going to chat to, WhatsApp communication, there has been some sort of chat widget. And this huge trend that's taken over, there's been a movement to increase sales, turnover, customer retention, customer service, things like that. I'm going to show you how to implement this on your website using OpenWidget within the next 10 minutes. I think this video might just be under 10 minutes. Let's pretend I'm a customer on the Elanix AI website. I want to transfer my business. This little dude pops up. I can connect on WhatsApp and talk to Ava, our intelligent WhatsApp agent. Or if I don't want to do that, let's close that. I can click on the question mark and it's going to open this control center. And this is where it really gets interesting. We're able to once again contact support or chat, right? And if I click that, I can leave a message. Maybe I need help with something. I can report a bug on the website and I can share some feedback. And before the difference, one of the biggest perks to these widgets is it makes everything very easy. From here, you can watch tutorials, you can demo our agents. So all of this is included in a widget. It's completely free, and we're going to do it right now for you. I'll show you how to implement this on your website. So I'm on the Learn section of the Elanix AI website, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll come across our document, completely free, telling you how to do this in 10 minutes. I'm going to walk through this with you right now. So I've explained most of this. Let's go over to OpenWidget. It's free to create an account. And if I come over here, you can see this is where you edit your widget. So when you open this up, okay, you're able to add your logo, your language, the opening title, the color theme, the background, gradient, the position, everything like that. Very easy, no coding needed. Contact card, you can choose WhatsApp, Messenger, communication. FAQ, you can add one of those. Custom links, carousels, everything is right here for you. Okay. I think the one thing I would take you through is adding it to your website. So any sort of feature, when we add it onto a website like this, whether it's a document or a widget, we call that embedding, right? Almost placing it inside of the website. Using a code snippet, and that's the only coding that's really happening over here. You click copy code and you paste that into your website. If you have a website with Hostinger or with us, it's very easy to do that. If you have WordPress, it should be a little more straightforward, but they do provide instructions for each of these platforms: Shopify, Squarespace, BigCommerce, etc. So overall, you design your widget how you'd like it, the different little buttons and all the little features, contacts. Come down here to this little add to website button, copy the code and paste it into your website. Very simple, very cool. And OpenWidget, they also have some other products, help desk, live chat. So pretty cool, play around with it. But in essence, that's all you do. It's very straightforward, but a lot of people are not aware of this yet. Maybe they don't know about the specific tool, but this will allow you to very easily implement this into a website for yourself or for your clients. All right. So I hope this video was educational. If you have any questions, let me know. The documents, the full guide, completely for free, will be in the description. With Elanix AI, it's more than possible. All right. And I'll see you in the next one.